In this program, we are going to find the area of the circle. So again, dividing the program into three basic steps, that is input, process and output. So first of all, talking about input. So when we are taking the input, the radius will be the input. So radius is equal to float input, prompting the user to enter the radius. After that, we need to do some process, that is finding the area. So area will be equal to pi, that is 3.14, multiplied by r square, that is radius into radius. Finally, the output. In case of output, we need to print the area. So area of circle colon comma the area variable. Saving it and running it. So entering the radius as 5. So the area of circle is 78.5 square units.